Hey everyone, welcome back once again to OSINT series of VIEH group. Today I'm going to tell you about a website or service which is going to help you out. So whenever you feel like if your company is in data breach of any of your domain, right, I'll tell you how to find it out, and that is very interesting platform. Even I got shocked after seeing that specific thing, right? So let me show you on my screen. Okay, all right. So I'm going to tell you a website which is going to help you for the OSINT investigation. What exactly this is going to do? This is a OSINT website which is going to which is called as alert website, right? Which is going to let you search the domain and view the breach related statics linked to the exposure account and leak credential of your company, right? So you just need to enter up the domain whatever you have, but make sure before that I would like to say this video is for education purpose only. Don't do for any unintentional work, right? So this will show you the breach exposure statics. This will going to show you the leak account information. This is going to security risk indicators, right? So this for whom this can be useful. This is for the OSINT investigators, red team recons, threat intelligence, and cyber security awareness kind of thing, right? So let me show you. Make sure to use for the ethical purpose only. The site is called alert bar, right? You can see here. So this is a very simple website. So this is a partially free. This is not 100% free. What exactly you need to do? Let's say I'm going to use vihgroup.com, right? Check data leak. I just entered up. You can see something is loaded on the top, and you can see it's working, right? It's partially free. It's not 100% free. If you want a full report, then you need to pay them. But I'll tell you, you can do some sort of partial checking of your website. So, oh my God, this is what you can see because of the some of the customers, because of some of the people those are working in VIH, the things are on this, right? So you can see the incident status, infected customer, cookies session. This is how it was breached on a dark web, right? You can see, right, the indicators, cookies in session, it was theft for this user, this infected customer was breached, this was the cookies session was from this specific WooCommerce session, right? And this is password you can see and when it was leaked, right? So the customer was infected at the first, and I need to call him, right? I need to fire him out, right? He don't know how the basics of security. Cookie session you can see and all those things here, right? You can see the employee password which was stolen, right? Cookie session, they are 60 now, right? Most of the attacks because of the cookies stealing. Employer password, and this is what you can see some unit person. And customer password is again stolen because of some infected computers, and this is again for the infected computers. So what you can understand is most of the thing is happening because of the infections, right? So this is what you will see, and this is very high, right? So yes, this is what we have, right? So this is how you can see, and you can aware your people those who are working at your company or the people those who are taking services, right? Tell them to secure your things as soon as possible. So that's what we have right now. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.